Okay, so hi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you for joining. So hope you are well. Okay, and I already check you all of those assignment which you send me. It's well. There is no problem. I find out in here. So in this time, I will knock you for that for our comment about after completing this online training program, what you feel. Okay, so is it okay to for anyone who don't have any knowledge about the programming, they can easily learn from our online training program or not? What do you think about that?
Yes, yes. This online course has proven to be an invaluable resource for my research work, and I am knows everything for this platform Google Earth Engine. Uh, in my research work, it helps. In my research work, it helped very much.
Okay, so currently are you a student? What's your level?
I am studying in MSc level, MSc in Remote Sensing and GIS.
Okay, what is the university name?
My university name was Maharaja Siram Chandra Bhanjodeo University. Is located in Odisha.
Okay, good. Okay, okay, good. Okay. Okay, so I check you all of those things. I hope you can do all of this very well for the assignment. And if you want to more anything about our online training program or any comment, you can tell me about that.
Uh, uh, in this time, this platform was very helpful for my work, Google Earth Engine, and I am expected your I am expected this platform you are learning our so you in future enhancing my knowledge through this similar opportunities. Can you on your institute in the
Okay, okay. So you can easily join our further advanced online training program for remote sensing analysis, such as advanced analysis for the GIS and remote sensing. Okay, and also learn this knowledge. So basically mainly we are take the training for the different online training programs such as machine learning, deep learning, then art studio for Google Earth Engine, art is R language for the machine learning. Okay, so which sector you need to learn, you can simply contact with us, and we also make the group about this online training program, then you can easily join. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, and I already check you all of those assignment. It's very well, so as soon as possible, I will send you your certification from our institution, and you can get it through your email. Okay.
yes.
Okay. So do you have any question or any comment now?
No, sir.
Okay. So thank you for your time. So and Jan learn keep in touch with the study hacks and also learn the different types of geospatial analysis. Okay. So thank you for joining now. Okay. Have a good night. Okay. Bye.